Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fusion key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly to release the hidden emergency key. Once released, carefully pull the emergency key out of its slot. This step prepares the fob for the next stage of opening, allowing access to the internal components. Now, with the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot or seam where the two halves of the fob meet. Take a small, flathead screwdriver or a prying tool. Carefully insert the tip into this seam. Gently twist the screwdriver to begin separating the two halves. Work your way around the entire perimeter until the fob splits open, revealing the battery compartment. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round coin cell battery. Before removing it, pay attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old battery using a small tool. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing upwards, just like the old one. Some models may use two CR2025 batteries. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Your key fob is now ready for use, with a fresh battery and secure casing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.